Your Getting Started page is going to be where you input your Favicon URL, your blog URLs, and all your social media URLs. So to get there, from your admin dashboard, you'll click on Getting Started. And a lot of these fields you don't have to do anything with because they're more admin dev fields. So let's start at the top. So company name, that's going to be your marketplace name. Your contact email and password, these are just good areas for reference to put your admin login and password, just for reference in case you tend to forget a lot. Your site title and site description, these fields aren't necessarily linked to anything. You can make the site title the same as your marketplace name, and then site description can be the type of marketplace you have, whether it's product, service, both product and service, or rental marketplace. Your contact address for contact map, this is where you'll enter in the address that you want linked to your Contact Us map. So wherever that map pinpoints, this is the address that it's going to link to. So whatever you put in here will show up on that map. So as I mentioned in the Contact Us page how-to, you will enter in whatever you want. So if you want it to be just Charlotte, North Carolina, for example, and you just want a general area, you can enter in Charlotte, North Carolina. If you want a full address, it'll link to the full address. So if the user were to zoom in and look at the satellite view, they could look at your exact location. So your phone number, you'll enter there. And from host all the way down to views v2, you don't have to mess with. Those are admin dev fields for us to enter. And then down here, your Metasite logo and Facebook share image. Anytime somebody shares from the marketplace, this will be the image that shows up as the logo. So make it the same as the Favicon. I would recommend that. To do that, you just click on Browse, and that will take you to your computer files, and you'll select from those files. And then you'll click Open to upload it. Since I already have one uploaded, I'm just going to leave that there. Scrolling up to the top, your social links. So this is where all your social media links are going to go. We've got a whole bunch. So Instagram, Pinterest, Google+, obviously Facebook, Twitter URL. And your community URL, if your marketplace or your company or your users are involved in kind of any kind of extracurricular nonprofit, this would be a good area to do it. Otherwise, just keep it blank. And then your Favicon URL, so wherever this button links to, this will be the URL for it. And it's typically the same as your marketplace URL, so you can just simply copy and paste your URL from up here, from the address bar, and copy it there. Your city referral link, so if you notice in the sign up page, there is an area that says don't see your city. If a user were to click that, it takes them to a Google form that you would create, which allows the user to fill in what city they want to see or what city they're in. And that'll allow you as the marketplace owner to add that location in the admin panel, and you can refer to the location setup how-to video to do that. But this is where that Google form URL will go into. Your blog URLs, so in the landing page, there is a section where you can, where somebody can access your blog. This is where you'll put in that URL. And once you're done filling all this out, you'll click on Next to save, and it'll take you to all categories. You can just go and click on Dashboard to take you back to Dashboard.